Since the dawn of time, we have struggled to pass knowledge and experience on to the next generation. Showing by example was the caveman way until the written word was standardized and those that knew could record their knowledge and wisdom to share with others. Advances in this process have taken minor steps. Video recordings have bolstered this capability, but the production time, costs, and the heavy draw on resources make this unrealistic. How can we take the decades worth of knowledge and experience of our workforce, harness it, and easily make it available to current and future personnel? Smart glasses, augmented reality, cloud-based repository, and live remote assistance are today's technology that will ensure your critical workforce knowledge is retained and expertly reproduced for today and the future. We provide authoritative data solutions through cutting-edge hardware and simplified software solutions. All solutions are hosted in elastic, secure, and resilient cloud environments. The virtual repository of critical knowledge is a quick start experience and knowledge gathering tool that will immediately benefit your production team by capturing the experience of your highly skilled personnel and making it available for your entire team. With simple software solutions, that experience can be elevated with the augmented reality highlights. Additionally, connect your workers in the field with a supervisor or tech rep who is in a remote location. Talk and ask questions about what both see on the job site. Sabel's experienced staff, small business agility, and robust contract vehicles provide low-risk, cost-effective, and quick-turn virtual repository of critical knowledge.